Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a comment that I saw in my Facebook group, Everything Real Estate. And if you're not a member, I highly suggest that you join. The link is in the description below. I can't remember the exact words of the comment that the real estate agent made, but the question asked, what is the best tool or resource for lead generation? The comment got me to thinking a little bit. Instead of giving you the best tool for lead generation, I'm going to give you 6 tools for lead generation. These are the 6 best tools and resources in the entire world. I'm just curious, what do you guys think are the best tools for lead generation? Just post a comment below and tell me what you think your tools or resources that I'm going to talk about today. Welcome to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. Are you visiting for the first time? If so, then give me 2 thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be the first notified of our weekly videos. The first tool that I thought about initially was video marketing and how everything is turning to video to help portray a message. Maybe it's marketing on social media or using social media ads, Twitter, Instagram, IG, Facebook, LinkedIn. No, I'm not talking about these marketing platforms. How about using your mouth? No, I don't mean word of mouth. I mean talking to people to inspire them to buy into your real estate services. Do you need a website? Sure, you do, but that's not what I'm going to discuss. And lastly, I kind of thought about having a script for when you are cold calling. Or what about a phone? Yes, you do need a phone for all of that cold calling that you're going to do, but that's not what I'm going to talk about. No, the number one thing that I am talking about is you. You, and particularly your character. Not just you, but your attractive characteristics. Do you have a pleasing personality? The ability to push or to pull or whatever the situation calls for? Are you someone that when people talk to you, they feel they can trust you? That you are going to look out for what's best for them? When I talk about you, I'm talking about your looks. No, I don't mean looks like vanity or physically. I'm talking about your presence, your attractive presence. Are you on time? Your smile, your grooming techniques, the way you dress. Do you dress to impress? Are you professional in your appearance? All of this matters. Do you communicate well? I'm going to do a video later on about this particular book, but 7 Levels of Communication by Michael Mayer is an excellent book and I highly recommend it. But that's what I'm talking about. Your communication, your presence, the confidence that you have, the first impression that you make. It's so very, very true that the first impressions are everything. Are the people you meet going to remember you for who you are and what you do? These are the things that make up the charming character that is you. Your energy, your ability to light up a room when you walk in, your presence, taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is extremely important because it shows that you care about you, which causes people to think that you would care about them. Do you have the personality to pull people or to push them away? Do you attract or you push? You are the best tool that you have to use to generate new real estate leads. There's nothing else in this world. There is no doubt about it. You are your best seller, your best promoter, your best marketer, your best advertiser. It all starts with you. The second tool is to have a first-time home buyer seminar. One of the easiest ways to start getting leads is to focus on the buyers. Buyers are more likely to work with you than sellers are, simply because a seller probably already has a realtor. Plus, the seller is the one who pays the commission and not the buyer. That's one thing that encourages people to give you a shot, that they don't have to pay you anything. So it's almost like they don't really lose out on anything or nothing. Another positive reason to have a first-time homebuyer seminar is to collect emails. Collecting emails is going to help build an audience, build a rapport and trust with that audience, ultimately building your A-team or your all-star team. Once you have these emails, and also during the seminar, make sure to provide nothing but value, value, value. Provide lots of value almost guarantees you being looked at as the real estate expert. The number 3 tool is the word of mouth, or having an all-star team. When I talk about marketing in this instance, I'm not talking about your sphere of influence, nor your database, nor your email list. I'm talking about people that you have some sort of relationship that are outside your family or outside of your sphere of influence. One of the best marketing tools is word of mouth. When you have a relationship with someone and they know you, they know what you do, they trust you, they believe in who you are and what you do. They know you are the expert. Your all-star real estate team is going to be looking out for business for you, looking for situations that can help you build your business. They're in the grocery store or at church or maybe even on the golf course talking or chatting with a friend, and they're talking about moving. Your all-star marketing team jumps right in and says, hey, you should meet my realtor. He's going to take care of you. Your team is always on the lookout or keeping an open ear to try and find you business. If you maintain that relationship, it helps your business eventually develop into a referral-based business. There's nothing more important than having a referral-based business. Ultimately, that is what every real estate agent wants for their business to grow into. Number 4 is having an awesome track record. Is that plain and simple? Having an awesome track record. The more houses you sell, the more happy clients. The more houses you help people to buy, the more happy clients. The more happy clients is how you grow your all-star marketing team. Well, if you're a new real estate agent, you probably don't have a track record, and that's totally fine. It happens. Everyone is going to go through it. So you basically just have to build one. Here's a different creative way to build a track record. This is where you look to be the co-listing agent on a lot of deals. Sure, it's not your deal, but you are a part of it. You got the chance to learn and to experience the transaction. Almost like doing an internship. Add this or these experiences to your track record, and that's how you build it. The 5th resource that you need are reviews. There's a real estate agent here in Chicago, and last I checked about a month ago, he had over 1,200 reviews on Zillow. And so not only does he have over 1,200 reviews, he has over 1,200 5-star rating. That is absolutely incredible. So you might ask, how in the world can I compete with 1,200 reviews? That's where you need to worry about the other lead generation tools. Build those reviews up and eventually they will come, but don't focus solely on them. Focus on you and that charming personality. Focus on a bold promise that you're going to make that I'm going to talk about in the next step. Having a high number of reviews comes with experience, so don't get bothered by it. Don't get discouraged, because eventually you will get there. As I mentioned, number 6 and the final tool is making a bold promise. Being a real estate agent nowadays is like being a needle in a haystack. Impossible to find, right? There are over 1 million real estate agents. So how are you going to stand out and not get sucked into the middle? I'm not talking about being better. I'm talking about what about you and your services makes the leads come to you. Make the leads say, wow, that makes you different than the rest of the real estate agents. I'm talking about a bold promise like I will sell your house in 30 days. Or something like, if I don't sell your house, I will buy it from you. Or my commission rate is the lowest of all the realtors in the city. These are bold guarantees, bold promises. Create that wow factor that makes people say, "What? Are you serious?" But make sure you back up the bold promise. That's the most important thing. If you are going to be the cheapest realtor, then stick with it. Stick to being the cheapest realtor. If you say you are going to sell a home or you will buy it, then make sure you have the funds to buy that home. You don't want to develop a rep of the agent that promises but never delivers. All right, so let's review real quickly. You need a charming character. You need to host a first-time homebuyers webinar or seminar. You need a word-of-mouth or an all-star marketing team. You need a proven track record, and you need reviews and to make a bold promise. I'm curious to know, what are some of the tools that you guys use? Make sure to leave me a comment, ask questions, post them. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget, give me 2 thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, be well, be safe, and let's go sell some houses.